Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is Sundar of them all? Hello guys, I am Vinayak from NiftyNayak. By now you guys might have guessed the topic what I am going to discuss today. It is about PR Sundar. As you all know, PR Sundar is an option seller and he was not famous few years back. I think he's become very famous in last 3 to 4 years. Okay, he has appeared on various seminars. He has appeared on TV like CNBC, because of which he has got fame. He has become famous. He also has a YouTube channel where, from what I know, has gained a lot of popularity. There are a lot of technical analysts who hate him, and PR Sundar is known for trolling all of them. He has been trolling traders from Gujarat, traders from Delhi, traders from Bangalore. So these traders and technical analysts, trainers actually hate him, because these trainers used to sell their course by telling that you should buy when this crossover happens, you should sell when this crossover happens, falana, dimka, etc. But when PR Sundar came, the profits what these trainers used to show in Excel, PR Sundar showed them in real account, because of which these people lost a lot of business. Now they are all angry and they are all ganged up and they have decided to bring PR Sundar down. Today one of the trader posted a P&L report or the financial ledger of PR Sundar's company, Manson Consultancy, also IT Jagan's company, where for the previous year there was a loss of around 1 crore in PR Sundar's account. Now these traders who had ganged up, now they are very happy. Now they have got a gun to shoot PR Sundar. Now they are telling PR Sundar is a cheat, he is a fraudster, whatever. So this is what is the background, what is happening. In fact, I was trading under his franchisee for some time and now I have my own franchisee. And from what I know, he is a gem of a person and a very good teacher as well. I think you all know his YouTube channel. It has got a lot of popularity and he is a very good teacher. Okay, there is no doubt in that. Now there is a financial ledger which has come out which tells that he has made a loss of 1 crore. So I don't know what that is. And PR Sundar has himself told that he will come out with clarification in some time. And coming to Jagan, Jagan is a close friend of mine. So we have had a lot of discussions and he's been one of the transparent traders whom I know. Okay, he has been transparent even when there was a loss or when there was a profit. I don't believe whatever allegations has been made on him. And he has also come out on Twitter and told clearly that he has not been trading actively in his company's account. He has been trading in his personal account and that is fine. And there are some traders who are asking PR Sundar or Jagan to show their March 2020 P&L. Yes, March 2020 was a bad month, and just because you are a trader doesn't mean that every trade of yours will be in profit. If there was a black swan event where he might have gone in loss, and that is okay. Overall, if he is in profit, that should be good enough. Now let me just explain you how these companies work, how they show profit or loss in their statement to avoid taxes. And this is not illegal. This is done by every company. You have the right to show your expenses and claim depreciation. There is nothing wrong in that. Even Reliance does this. Even Tata's do this. So let me just explain. For example, you have started a company, any company. Let's say you started an e-commerce company like Flipkart. And whenever you start any business, it's very difficult for the business to make profit in first few years. Okay. There are some exceptions where businesses have made profit in from day one. So now let's say on first year you opened two offices in city 1 and city 2. So by the end of the year you made a loss of 50 crores in both of them. Okay, so the P&L is going to be 50 crores. Now in second year, you like the business, you got funding, you expanded the business. Now you have it in 4 cities. Now the first 2 cities will give you a profit of 50 crores. And let's say the next 2 cities will give you a loss of 100 crores. Your overall profit and loss statement will still read it as 50 crores. Okay. Now, third year, you opened it in another 2 more cities, that is C5 and C6. Your C1, 2, 3, 4 will give you a profit of, let's say, 100 crores, whereas your city 5 and city 6 will give you a loss of 200 crores. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. So even here you will be claiming a loss of 100 crores. And every company does this. See, the government's policy is simple. They don't want any one of them to block money with them. You either keep the money wheel rotating by spending it, or you give it to the government in the form of tax. So the companies, instead of giving it to the government in the form of tax, they declare expenses. They claim depreciation for the assets what they have bought, like car, laptop, office space, etc., employee cost and all these things. And if the expense is more, it means they are expanding. Now coming to PR Sundar's case, he is doing multiple businesses. He is into trading, YouTube, brokerage, training and many more things. Okay? So he might have claimed expenses in order to show this loss. But yes, in that PN and in that ledger, there was a loss of 1+ crore which is there. So let's see when PR Sundar comes out with clarification. And even if he has made a loss, it is okay. So just because 1 year was a bad year doesn't mean that he has no idea about trading. I think most of you are watching his videos on YouTube. And let me tell you, the content of the video, the quality of the video is setting benchmarks. There are a lot of YouTubers who are now jealous of Sundar, so they are trying their level best to bring him down. There is a person who was an anchor in a TV and now he claims that he is into trading. I don't know what he is up to. Even despite having media backup, his followers in Twitter is less than PR Sundar's. So obviously जलेगा ना भाई. ये लोग इतना काम करके 25 साल से 4 मीनार में बैठ के मरा रहे, फिर भी एक तमिलियन 4-5 साल में इन लोगों को सब मार दिया, तो इन लोगों को जलेगा ना. So now these people are all jealous, so they are trying their level best to bring PR Sundar down. Let's see how things will shape up. So always, if you want to make money, irrespective of whether it is in stock market or outside, there are 2 parts to the game. One is earning and the other one is saving. Even if you are good at earning and if you don't know how to save the money, then you can't make money. Okay, it is like 4 wheels of a tire. Even if one tire is down, the car can't move. When it comes to the question of making money, it is difficult. There is no business where there is easy money. And when it comes to the question of saving, the number one enemy whom you have is the government, because they take a deep cut of the profit whatever you make in the form of tax. So, and this is not told by me, this is told by Robert Kiyosaki. Okay. So these are all very common things, showing expenses, claiming depreciation, and as a trader or as a person, everyone will have good and bad things. So you don't have to take what is bad from a person. You just take what is good from any person. So with that note, I want to conclude this video. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and share it with all those who are now trolling Sundar, trolling Jagan, which I don't think is appropriate. Thank you for watching.